Hey, nah. Okay. Los Angeles. What's up? Y'all in LA?
Yeah, Daddy had time.
Daddy? What?
Well, Daddy had time.
You said what?
Where's my ring, Daddy?
Yeah.
Hold up, who you calling daddy?
Hey!
What's up, LNK TV? It's your girl Leia.
It's your boy Kai.
And what we say it's gonna do, hit
Hit
y'all
y'all
with another
another
bang. Before we get started with this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and turn your post notification so when we post another lit video, y'all get it.
Y'all get it, you feel me?
So today,
we're gonna be doing the aggressive girlfriend prank on Monkey. So I'm pretty sure y'all seen a lot of videos where, you know, I'm on Monkey, you know, flirting, trying to show off for the camera, and she gonna barge in the room. You doing, nigga? You know what I'm
doing
saying?
it.
No. But yeah, so basically that's what we're gonna be doing today. Feel me? I'm gonna try to, you know, make it seem believable on Monkey. Like,
What the fuck?
I'm gonna try to, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna just act crazy. So yeah, man. So let's get started with this video.
Let's get.
Hello. Hello.
Let me introduce myself.
Where y'all from?
We're from San Antonio. Where are you from?
I don't even know how, cause I'm on Google. I don't got the real app, so like I had to do it on Google.
Where you from?
Charlotte, North Carolina. But I'm from Ohio though.
Huh?
I'm from Ohio, but I moved to Charlotte, North Carolina. Chilling. You know, just on the.
So I've been going for 30 minutes and you flirting with people? I'm not laughing. Like, who was this?
They my friends.
Your friends. You don't got no girlfriends. You got me fucked up.
Was I flirting?
You sure was. I heard your whole conversation. Bye.
There you go and beat him up. Shit.
Hey, bro, that's hard to beat me up. Call the cops. Sorry, we just playing. We YouTubers. Y'all watch? Y'all watch? Dang, I would have had YouTube. They said beat his ass, girl. Oh, man. Hey, no. Okay. Los Angeles. What's up? Y'all in LA?
Yes, Daddy had time.
Daddy? What?
Well, Daddy had time.
You said what?
Where's my ring, Daddy?
Hold up. Who you calling daddy? Like,
Hey!
why you flirting people? Bye.
Who the fuck is that ugly hoe?
Oh.
Girl, I'm not ugly.
Daddy, open your bed, bitch. I be riding his dick.
Bye.
No, hell no.
Hell no. It was a dude. Oh, dude was a dude. Being weird, bruh. Strawberries are not bananas. Mine. That was crazy. That was weird. Hello?
Where you from?
Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm from Ohio. I live in Charlotte.
Wait, well, hold on. Repeat that. You said you from where and then who?
I'm from Ohio, but I live in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
New York? Oh, I was supposed to go there for my birthday this year, but I didn't go because I got fired from my job, so I couldn't even go. So I just canceled it.
New York crazy with the throne.
I know. You said it's crazy with the Rona.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I've been seeing it all over the news, bro.
you talking to? Who you talking to? Why you flirting with people? Who you talking to?
Ah!
Playing? Who you talking to? You not playing no games?
Beat his ass. Go ahead. I know that's right. You got your ass whooped though.
Sorry, we just playing. We use YouTube.
Oh shit. See, I was encouraging everything.
You watch YouTube?
Yes.
Type in LNK TV. So the it's not the and, it's like the and symbol. LN.
NKTV.
Yes, ma'am.
I got y'all. I got you.
Okay. You will
I'm gonna
see.
subscribe right now.
You will see 1,050K subs subscribed. It's like I have a brown trench coat on, like hugging her and stuff on the back. You will see it. It'll
I
pop
got
up.
y'all. I'm finna go subscribe to y'all.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
You
you.
welcome.
Yep.
What's up?
What's up?
All lives matter, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
your bitch ass out too, nigga.
It's the motherfucking Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
That was a little more. Oh man. Oh my God, bruh. That was. I guess the girls don't want to talk to dudes on here. They want to talk to girls because all the girls are skipping. They're skipping.
You look. This is not fun. I don't know why I'm laughing. You look 20 something.
Yeah, I'm 21. How old are you?
19. No.
You lying like I'm. It's skipping. She was like, 24. Hello. I like your hair.
Thank you.
You welcome. How old are you? You sound young.
Yeah.
You young? How old are you? Real young. She said she's 24, but it's like a big black girl, but yeah. Dallas.
What's up?
What's up?
Okay.
I can't hear you.
I can hear you.
What you getting into? What you doing? Look like you in the closet or something. Huh?
Just chilling. How about you?
Oh, chilling. Bored on monkey. Got nothing to do. Let me see your pretty face.
Okay.
Aw. Why you hiding? Don't hide. I'm not mean.
Okay.
So you used to mean people on here? Me too. People be calling me ugly and stuff all the time on here. Swear to God.
But you are not ugly.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate it. Thank you. Do you watch YouTube?
What?
You watch?
Yeah.
So, come on. So me and my girlfriend, we do YouTube, and like we do pranks, challenges. Like right now, we're doing a prank on Monkey, and it's called like she be an abusive girlfriend right now. So like I'll be flirting. So yeah. So go on your hello. So just go on your computer, type. Well, when we get off, just type LNKTV, L and then the symbol N K TV, and yeah, LNK, yeah. Thank you, appreciate it. And you'll see it say 1,050 subscribers. 1,000. Yeah, we just beginners though. We trying our best. So make sure you subscribe to us and comment if you want. And if you got social media, share it. Cause we trying to expand it and get more fans.
I will do.
Okay, thank you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you
Have a good
too.
day.
Bye
Have a
bye.
good day. Bye.
Yep.
Bye bye.
Oh, she was nice.
I felt bad for her. Cause, she's 18. Peaches. copied everything he was doing, bro.
Ooh. I like your nose piercing.
You can see it. So, yeah.
Yo.
How old are you?
How old you is?
21. About to be 22 in December.
Adios.
Yeah, little ass kids, man. I'm trying to tell you, bruh. He's gay. He's a gay. It froze. Kinda. I thought he was talking to me. I was looking like, what the fuck is he talking to? It was good, bro.
Bro, you look like a remake of Pretty Boy right now.
Who? He look chill. He just white boy. 21. Dang, why I keep getting all these dudes on here?
It's on your face. I ain't a man, okay? I ain't a man.
A lot of editing. She's 18. Italy.
Hi.
Hello.
That's a grown ass man.
Yeah. Y'all some little ass. Y'all some little ass kids. Oh man, you missing the tooth.
Yeah, bro. You look like.
You said who?
Tupac?
Nah, I ain't
Sound like
Tupac.
Tupac, bro.
Nah,
Damn.
I'm not Tupac, bro.
Hell yeah. That could be, bro.
Nah.
Hey, make more music. Come on.
What the fuck? People is weird, bro. She's 20. Arisha. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. I like your little hair.
Why you gotta say little? Like I'm a little kid.
Nah. Damn. Chicago.
Hello.
Hello, what's up? Hey, where you about to go? I feel it. You cute. You cute. I said you cute. You welcome. You welcome. You welcome. Oh, you said what? Okay, okay. All right. I'm sorry, I skipped her because she was skipping. No, it's dudes. She's 19. 19.
Hey,
What's up?
what's up? Like your fit.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Show your
Where you
face.
from?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
Oh, we're from Northern Ireland.
Okay, okay, I feel it. Y'all watch YouTube?
What's he say?
Y'all watch YouTube?
Yes, I love you too.
No. Oh, subscribe to LNK TV.
LMK TV.
Yeah.
Okay, I will do after this. I actually will. Is that you?
What?
Is that you on that channel?
What do you mean?
On the YouTube channel? Who
Yeah.
is that?
That's me and my girlfriend. Did you type the right things?
No, I haven't typed it in yet. Because I'm on this. Because it'll go off the chat if I go off it.
Oh, well, when we get out the chat, subscribe to LNK TV.
Okay, oh my god, is that your girlfriend? She's so pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, they're so cute. They're in our relationship.
Well, okay. I didn't know if it was dude or girl, so I didn't do it. It sounded like one, but look.
Hey.
Hello.
What's up, big head?
What's up?
Nothing much. What's up with you?
Nothing. What's up with y'all?
Just hanging out, smoking.
I feel
A little
it.
bit.
Y'all cute. Y'all cute.
You can't even see my face. How do you know I'm cute?
She's cute, and I just seen your face in the corner when you did that.
What you doing?
Nothing. Chilling. Add time. Add time.
What you been up to?
Nothing. Working. Trying to stay corona free.
Oh shit! Oh
So you in here flirting?
Hey!
Why you flirting with people? Who is that? Why you a monkey for?
What is you doing? They didn't say nothing. Was they scared? Oh man. Oh man.
I see her doing it. I see you doing it.
The fuck? Be safe. You should stop the woman. Be safe.
Oh man.
What did he say?
I don't.
Hi.
Hello. Why you in the dark?
It's nighttime.
It's nighttime here too. Where y'all from?
UK.
Oh, y'all from the United Kingdom. Oh, we're from Charlotte, North Carolina.
Okay, cool.
So you in here flirting? You in here flirting with people?
Hey, why you
Like,
here?
who is that?
I don't